Eprime can confirm that Nesbeth's road manager who was shot on Tuesday is currently in stable condition. According to Nesbeth's publicist, Raymond Small, Mr. Roland Drummy Drummond was attacked while attending to his vehicle.
The incident occurred on Tuesday at approximately 5 p.m. in the vicinity of Oscott High, that is in Portmore, St. Catherine. Apparently, Mr. Drummond was driving and heard a sound beneath the motor vehicle and decided to pull over to investigate. While he was doing that, a car pulled up with a group of men and they accosted him, and a tussle ensued and he was shot in the face, and pretty much he was relieved of his firearm.
Mr. Small added that Drummy will require reconstructive surgery.
Relating to his condition, he's currently at an undisclosed location where he's being treated. And he's in stable condition, but definitely he's going to require surgery to repair he's going to require some level of reconstructive surgery to repair the damages around the lower half of his face, especially around the mouth and the tongue area. But he's stable and he's conscious, and for that we are thankful, and we just ask that everybody just keep him in their prayers.
A heartbroken Nesbeth, who is currently overseas, today posted to his page adding that Jamaica is out of control and encouraged everyone to be safe. Eprime sends our best wishes to the family and friends of Drummy. Chronixx drops his first single for 2021, Safe and Sound. The single released over the weekend. Last year, Chronixx postponed his sophomore album, Della Splash, after the release of the lead single, Della Move. He subsequently released singles, Same Prayer featuring Kabaka Pyramid and Cool as a Breeze, Friday. Clark's Original today made available the limited edition of the Wallaby. In a post, the UK brand says Jamaica has given so much over the years, and as a way of saying thank you, they're working with communities across the island to make charitable donations to programs that really make a difference. British footwear brand Clark's Originals earlier this week announced its release of the new Jamaica pack line for its spring 2021 collection. Clark's pays homage to Jamaican culture and its long-standing affiliation with the island with a new yellow, green and black-colored desert boot, wallaby and desert trek with a signature flag on the pull. Clark's Originals has engaged in recent times with Lila Ike and Coffee and also seems to be answering the calls for them to sign endorsement deals with reggae and dancehall artists who have promoted the brand over the years. I'm Deidran reporting for Eprime.